Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. 1 minute to the open. I have all kinds of renovations going on here at my home, and I just had a moment here to say hi. I'm going to put you on pause in a moment as soon as the hammering and sawing and stuff begins. And I may not even be able to come back, but I just wanted to start a video to see if we can. You can see that we are sort of range bound here. We have daily down days here, having broken yesterday's low, bearish body. So slightly bearish bias coming in, but fairly quiet here before we open. The trading grid here, guys. I'm going to open up the 30-minute chart, as you can see here. Kind of been folding down here this morning in Asia and London. This zone down here is the open of Monday, guys. That big update that we had, that wide-ranging candle, which we are still inside of here, of course. So we are ranging inside of this candle here. We're open here, guys. I'll see if I can bring you back after the 1 minute open range begins, but people are knocking already in the background. All right, guys, still a little bit quiet here. You can see the open range is 29.5 points in the NASDAQ approximately, and 8.5 on the S&P, pushing up towards view up here. Nothing to do, of course. This 1 minute chart, guys, I thought for fun I would show the London open range, which we are basically at or around. It's been an interesting morning, vacillating up and down above and below the London open range. Here's the Asian range up above. And I'll put you back on pause, and I hope I can come back in a bit, but we'll see. Hey guys, Czar here, back with you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. Got a little break in the renovation action here. I think the guys are taking a break for coffee or something, but it's 10:31 a.m. Got this nice consolidation happening here with the 9 still above the 21, just marginally here after this. I guess it was a news spike or something. I don't know what caused that. It was 10:01. I don't see any major news at 10 a.m. So it looks like it came out of the blue or out of the woodwork and slamming into the Asian range up there, the Asian Open, I should say. Actually, a little bit above, I guess. There's the Asian Open. But now we've consolidated sideways a little bit. This daily looking like it wants to flip bullish. And if it does, I'd be interested in potentially taking along here. Some nice time spent sideways here. Something that I do like to see. Yeah, guys, buy stop order. And I don't know if I can come back with sound if the renovations start again, but I will hopefully, if they don't need me, I will run the video without the microphone on, so you don't have to listen to the hammering and all the other grinding and stuff. And we will track this, assuming I get taken in here. I don't know, this could just reverse down, and that's fine too. That would actually make sense given the down day that we have. This is really a congestion range bound piece, of course, in the daily. So I've opened to longs or shorts, but in order for longs, I want to see it break back above. And right now, it looks like we're actually pulling down in the opposite direction. But I'll put you on pause and bring you back. All right, guys, we're back. Still consolidating sideways here. I'm going to pull my stop down below this random news spike or whatever that was, and just readjust a little bit here as we're expanding just a tad. But the more time we spend sideways here, the more opportunity it is for potential buyers and bulls to get on board and say, I really want to drive this thing higher, but I would need it to break above in order for me to participate. And by the way, that moment will also be when the daily body turns bullish. And then the moment we break that wick is when that daily breaks itself. And I am in, guys. I am in long the NASDAQ. Gonna try to get these speaking points in here while it's still fairly quiet. Let me just tell you now why I am long. Hopefully you can see it. As I mentioned, nice push up here, some kind of a new spike or something, sideways consolidation, nice rectangular pattern that was actually bordered by my marker and then breaking above for a continuation move higher. right through the Asian session that was tested a bit earlier. Notice how the daily body is now flipped bullish, and the break above this, which will be about 0.5 R, will break the candle above itself and still be working inside of this wide-ranging candle, bullish candle from Monday. On the 30-minute chart, guys, we have a fairly textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let me see if I can draw that for you. There's the left shoulder, the head, right shoulder. You get the idea. Just like that, guys. So this is breaking the neckline, break and close, pulling back, and then breaking back above for a continuation move higher. I'll put you back on pause, guys. In fact, I might have to leave again and work with the workers, and then I'll just come back and close off this trade or summarize the trade, whether it hits a charge or profit. I'll be back. Back for a second, guys. I had the target measured incorrectly. I only had it to about 1.5 R. So there's the 2 R target, identical entry, of course. And I copied and pasted that over here to the 30-minute chart as well. And target 1 has been hit, guys. And so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. The 2 R move stop to break even at 1 R has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 R. Now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. And target 2 has been hit, guys. And there it is, guys. Finally, all 4 models fully profitable. I have a lot of noise to edit out of this video, but I think it should be fairly clear for the speaking points. Thanks for being with me. I appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.